Updating your social security number on Robinhood is an important process to ensure your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to make the update smoother. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the Robinhood app or website and logging in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu option, where you can access account details. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Personal Information or Identity Verification. Click on this option to proceed to the area where you can update your social security number. Step 4. Update your social security number. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new social security number, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your update. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the update was successful. Make sure to monitor your account for any notifications regarding the update. Keeping your information current is essential for account security and compliance.